step into the Ram 2020 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display included, Google Android Auto, Sirius XM radio service, Sirius XM satellite radio, integrated center stack radio. For more info call 800-643-2112. 8.4 touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, 50-gallon fuel tank, tires, LT 275/70R18 EAL on off-road, diesel gray black heavy-duty vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat included, front armrest with cup holders, manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat, spray and bud liner, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, urethane shift control, 3.73 axle ratio.